Nhớ Nkauj here with Study Hmong. Today we're going to learn how to speak Hmong through use of a conversation. Great. We're going to go over vocabulary, how to pronounce it, what it means, and we're going to learn a conversation. Imagine the scene. Two people are on an island. One person, while waiting for the boat to depart, decides to clean up before the trip. Let's get right into it with vocabulary. Lu ngo. Boat, the boat. Ndu de. It's the shore. Ndu is like the edge or the bank of the river, the stream, the beach. So you can, de would be water. So ndu de would be the edge of the water. You could say the embankment for a river. It'd be the shore for the ocean, etc. Njia njai. Straight ahead. Perfectly straight. Straight through. Day. The house of water. The washroom, the bathroom, the restroom. Good. Daw. Over there. It can be just right here. It can be a little farther away. It's kind of a broad directional word. Over there. Good. It can be kind of close, kind of far. It's over there. It's over there. Sometimes within eyesight, sometimes not. It's over there. Haw. This is a tone change from haw, a thing, an article. So haw would be like a little, some. Can I have a little? Can I have some? Haw, a thing, a little, a some. Zhou. To scrub, to rub with the hands in water. Zhou. It's going to be for washing your hair. Jeng. Still. Not like to hold still, but it's still happening. I still have time. Good. It's like Jeng mua. Still have. Good. Da day. To bathe. To immerse yourself in water. To take a bath. Chua. Medicine, right? Chua. Zhou. Lao hao. Chua zhou lao hao. Medicine to scrub your hair. Shampoo. Chua. Medicine. Chua. It's like to scrub, to brush. Nia. Chua nia. Medicine to brush your teeth. Toothpaste. Chua. The classifier for chua would be zha, an instrument like a toothbrush, right? You would use zha chua would be a toothbrush, so chua would be to scrub or to brush, not the same as zhou. Chua, to scrub with a brush. Ti tong. It's a sarong, not much like a towel, kind of a long sheet, right? And you can wrap it around and tie it up. Sarong, right? You can use that after you bathe. Ti tong. Dai. It's a sheet. It's something flat. You can have a dai of and that would be the land, flat land. A dai of paper, a sheet of paper. So your sarong, the classifier would be a dai. It's a flat thing of fabric, right? Dai. Lo. It looks like lao. It's one of the words I've seen that hasn't been actually pronounced the way I've seen it spelled. One of the few ones. Lo. Kind of like an exclamation point. Oh, I already have one. Lo. Like, definitely kind of a thing. Okay. Very good. Let's move on. On our website, Study Hmong, under classroom courses will be the worksheet that can go with this video, And you can also see flashcards to print out those words, or you can make some yourself. Perfect. Now let's learn the conversation. We'll read it all the way through. We'll discuss some of the grammar, and then we'll practice it again. Perfect. Yo con muốn gian đại, có yo bỏ, lung go lo hang, nyon down do day. If you go straight ahead, you'll see a very large boat at the shore. Yo, if. Con mu, you go. Gian đại, straight ahead. Go yo bỏ, you will see. Lung go, a boat. Lo hang, the description comes after it, very big. Nyonda, say at the place of. Du day, the shore, the shoreline. Good. What's the next response? Zhong hang, jing mo shi hận đào, cú sa na day one day mu. The person replies, oh, very good. Zhong hang. They say, Jing mua, I still have. Shi hao dao, time much. I still have a lot of time. Gu sa, I want. Da day, to bathe. One day mu, before go. I still have a lot of time. I want to bathe before I go. Good. Now what do they say? Tao. J day. Nhó tỏ xứ. Có sĩ tao. Tao. They're using this in reply of saying, you can. J day would be house, water house, washroom, restroom, bathroom. Nhó tỏ xứ. It's just over there. It's only over there. Có sĩ tao. You use can. You can use it. Sure. The washroom's just right over there. Go ahead and use it. You can use it. Great. And they reply, Cú thỏ có lì ý họ chua, rau bao hào của tao. Let's break that down. Cú thỏ. Could I ask please? Có lì. Yours. Ý họ chua, rau bao hào. Ý họ a little bit. Chua rau bao hào. Shampoo. Của tao. Like, please or can I? Good. Can I please ask for some of your shampoo? How do they respond? Tao ma. Có bùa xá xí chua chua nhé thía? Tao ma. Yes, of course, sure. Có bùa xá. Do you want? She, to use. Chua chua nhé thía? Toothpaste. Do you want to use some toothpaste too? Oh, Zhong hang. Cú ta tỏ yua nu go. Oh, Zhong hang, very good. Cú ta tỏ. I, in the process, yua, will, nu, ask, go, you. I was just about to ask. Zhong hang, cú ta tỏ yua nu go. Our helpful friend continues. Cú mua thì thống, đào đại do có xá xí cú tao thía. Cú mua, I have. Thì thống, the sarong. Đào đại, many flat, it's classifier for flat things. I have many sarongs. Do có xá xí, if you want use. Cú tao thía. Cú tao is kind of like if you want to. I have several sarongs that you can use too, if you want. Kind of like no pressure. And our little traveler here replies, tao lờ lô, cú tư mua lờ o. Tao lờ lô. Thank you, like really very much thanks. It's very expressive. Oh, really, thank you so much. Cú tư mua lờ. Cú tư already, I already, mua have, lờ. Like tư with a word and lo is kind of like I already have already. I already have one. Cú tư mua lờ o. I already have one. Yay! All right, let's practice this conversation all the way through. Giờ có muốn chân trải, có yêu bỏ luôn có lo hẹn, nhân đạo nữ đê. Rong hẹn. Chính mua sĩ hơn đạo. Cú xa đa đê uốn đê mù. Tao. Chế đê nhọ tỏ sư, có sĩ tao. Cú thọ có lý ý khó chua, rau bao hào bùa tao. Tao ma. Có bùa xa sĩ chua chua nhẹ thía. Rong hẹn. Cú tao tỏ yuan nhu có. Cú mua thì thống đảo đại do có xa sĩ cú tao thía. Tao lờ lô. Cú tư mua lờ o. Thank you so much for joining today on How to Speak Hmong. From studymhmong.com, check out our website under Classroom Courses. You'll see this worksheet and some flashcards to go with it so you can keep practicing, as well as the audio. Bye-bye, Shinji Dua.